You guys know I love DTF, but are there times where DTG is better? Yes. Now both methods have their strengths and weaknesses, so it's all about finding what works best for you. And by the end of this video, you'll understand which technology matches your budget, your business model, and your long-term goals. Let's start by breaking down the processes of each of these methods. Direct-to-garment, aka DTG, is exactly what it sounds like. This is a method where ink is printed directly onto a garment, kind of like using a giant inkjet printer, but for t-shirts. Now this method requires pre-treating in order to prepare the fabric to accept the ink. This is going to be best suited for cotton-rich blends, and it's great for photorealism. Now it also provides a super soft hand feel and can have less manual maintenance when compared to other methods. But here's the thing, while DTG is great for detail and comfort, it has limitations, especially when you're printing on polyester or scaling up. That's where direct-to-film comes in. Direct-to-film, or DTF, is a method where you print your design onto a special film material, which is then powdered and dried before being heat pressed onto a garment. Think of it like creating a design on a sheet and then heat pressing it onto material so it becomes part of the shirt. What's great is this process works on almost any fabric imaginable. Cotton, polyester, leather, even tough fabrics like nylon. With this method, there's no pre-treat step, but these machines do typically call for more manual maintenance and attention. So which method fits your business best? Let's line them up across 5 key categories. We know DTG gives us a super soft hand feel, especially on cotton, but it also handles tricky artwork very well. This includes designs with gradients, glows, smoke, or even flames. DTF also delivers sharp, vibrant color and works great for bold designs, logos, or full color art, but it may have a slightly more detectable hand feel, depending on your setup. The good news is, this can be alleviated by knocking out colors and using the actual garment color in your design. DTG works best on cotton. You can use it on blends, but quality may vary. Direct-to-film, on the other hand, works on cotton, polyester, nylon, silk, virtually any material. If you can get even contact with the heat press, the sky's the limit as far as what we can DTF. So if your customers want variety, direct-to-film does give us more room to work with. Remember, DTG requires pre-treatment. It requires more steps and more time. This method is great for one-offs, but not necessarily the fastest. A single DTG operator can produce just about 24 pieces per hour, but this output can be increased if the preparatory pre-treating step is done in advance. DTF lets you print, cure, and press whenever you're ready, so you can batch transfers ahead of time or store them for later. It's hard to beat this method in terms of efficiency. And after the initial roll-to-roll setup of loading the film into both the printer and shaker, your hourly output can range from 10 to 85 completed pieces depending on what DTF printer you have. DTG printers can be more expensive up front, but they usually require less manual maintenance. Direct-to-film setups can vary in cost depending on size, but these mean more opportunity for those wanting to break ground into the space. Now, while these machines do require maintenance, it's hard to find a print method that doesn't. Something to keep in mind is that both DTG and DTF use water-based ink, which means that a good machine will include built-in agitation to keep the ink from settling or separating. When it comes to business models and order processing, both methods have their strengths. DTG is great for print on demand, one-offs, and boutique brands focused on comfort and softness. But when it comes to custom merch, athletic apparel, high volume orders, and bulk transfer production, DTF is the best method. We're talking about hustle-heavy business models and print shops that need to turn around short runs across a mix of fabrics. If you sell transfers, offer same-day printing, or serve clients with bulk and variety, DTF gives you that flexibility. So are you still deciding? Go DTG if you're focused on detailed high-res artwork, especially photos or illustrations. Your main product line is cotton t-shirts and you care about that soft hand feel. Or if you're running a made-to-order store, launching an art-driven brand, and you don't mind a bit more setup for premium-looking prints. DTG is perfect for boutique brands and lower volume shops where quality and softness are top priorities. Go DTF if you want to print on everything: cotton, poly, blends, even nylon. Or if you need speed and flexibility, batch prints now, press later. Maybe you're doing custom merch or team orders or selling heat transfers, or you're aiming to scale with a more automated, efficient workflow. DTF's the way to go if you're running a busy shop, offering variety, or planning to grow. But there really is no wrong choice here, just the right fit for you and how you run your business. At the end of the day, whether you choose DTG or DTF depends on your business model, your product line, and what matters most to you, whether that's flexibility and speed or high quality premium prints. Both methods certainly have their place, and All American Print Supply is proud to offer both categories along with hybrid options for those who don't want to pick just one. We invite you to test both methods with your designs and speak with a representative, schedule a consultation or a live virtual or in-person demonstration. Let us hear all the questions in the comment section down below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more. That's pretty much going to wrap it up for this one. My name is Esteban. We are All American Print Supply. We'll see you on the next one.